This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Kelly Jeffrey. Ideally located 5-acre property with Mount Baker views. 3-bedroom 2 full bath home all on one level with a gigantic 2,500 square feet. New barn / shop. Soaring 20 ceiling in shop with double sliding doors for easy storage for your vehicles, boats and equipment. Enjoy large fenced garden, fruit trees and fully fenced pasture. New exterior paint on the home, even comes with a jacuzzi to soak in. This property is located just outside of the Bellingham city limits and less than 15 minutes to I-5, Sunset Square and the popular Berkeley Village. Wonderful county home. For more